Today I've got a quick energy boosting Qigong routine for you. Let's get started. We'll start off by turning from your hips and your waist, allowing our arms to gently knock across our body, taking deep breaths. And you can do this routine any time of day where you need a quick energy booster. We are knocking on some energy points here that are said to give us a boost of energy, our Qi coffee if you like. And then we can start turning to the back of the room. We're now getting a nice stretching as well. Then we'll come up to our chest. And our shoulders. And back down. And slowly unraveling, coming to the center. Notice how you feel. Next we'll do some Qi massage. And we will knock on our kidneys. I'll turn around so you can see better. So gently knocking across our kidneys, going up and down. And again, remembering to breathe. And then we'll release. And we'll finish off with some shaking. So first we'll start shaking into our hands, our arms, then we'll shake into our upper body, and we'll shake into our legs. And if you like, you can lift off and tap into your heels as well. Taking deep breaths in and sighing out. In in and out. Two more. Last one. Coming back to our center. Close your eyes for a few seconds, taking 3 deep breaths. And last one, breathing in and out. out, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this quick energy booster routine. Feel free to share with your friends and family. Make sure that you're subscribed and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.